Wagwan viewers and subscribers, it's your guy Ricardo from One Love Africa. So right now I'm here at home making some banana fritters. In Jamaica we call this banana fritters, but in other countries they call it banana ripper. The international name is banana ripper, but in Jamaica we call it banana fritters. We make it with bananas, the flour. You know my spice, I add overripe banana, a few of it because I love my banana fritters with a lot of ripe banana. So I put overripe banana, like maybe 6, 7, could be 8. So I don't have to add no water because the overripe banana is so moist when you add the flour, the wheat flour in it. It's so wet and come a paste. So I use the overripe banana, counter flour, vanilla, you can add cinnamon if you want, salt, and a little tip of brown sugar. You don't use white sugar for this mixture. You can use white sugar if you want, but the best is dark sugar. So I'm going to show you guys what I've made so far and what's in the process of cooking. You see me? So viewers and subscribers, all of my Yali or my Caribbean people or international people, I do not know what some of you guys call it in your country, but we call this banana fritters, aka banana ripper. Yeah man, so watch and see what I go on now. See it there. Banana fritters. If you be like, if you know about this, if you know about this, that means you're Jamaican. Yeah man, see it there. I make the banana fritters. You know these things consume a lot of oil, so try your best to use less oil into a non-stick pot. Yeah. See? Banana ripper, aka banana fritters, a Jamaican thing or a Caribbean thing, but you don't know Jamaica food. Good. See it? Yeah man. Nice. By making this, it's supposed to can smell it from far. So, my peeps, let me try. I'll just break one in half. I'm going to try one right now because since I've been in Kenya, I haven't made this thing. But when the restaurant open, because look out for Jam One Jamaican restaurant. Whenever that open, a mad thing man. Because we have Jam Rock already. Jam Rock do them thing. I know I'm a part of Jam Rock also. You know, Jamaican yard we are doing thing. But we're thinking to our next location called Jam One. You understand? That will be my location. So let me see. Peace. Yo. I have to share this to some more people and get the feedback. So follow me. I'm going to share some of these banana fritters with more people and get the feedback. Yo, this wicked. Yo, my mother used to make this thing for me. And the moment she give me one, I couldn't stop eating. I fall in love. My favorite snack, banana fritters. I love it so much. Anywhere on the road in Jamaica when I was younger, I couldn't pass and see selling, I do not buy any. I always buy it. So now, I have to learn to make it myself. So I become a chef. And there are a few things in Jamaica that we like. My favorite food is stew peas. You know, some people do not like pork. I put pigtail in my stew peas when I'm eating it. Pigtail, chicken foot, salt beef, or turkey neck. And if I don't have the pigtail, I don't have to, because I can cook it without the pigtail. But chicken foot, turkey neck, and salt beef. And I don't really like eat beef like that. So I can do without the beef. But trust me, it tastes too good. Sorry if I'm eating and talking. You know Jamaican people. Food tastes too good to emphasize. So I want you guys to tell me if you know about this food, if you eat it before, if you're a real Caribbean peer person or a real Jamaican person. Tell me how you like to make your banana fritters. Tell me when was the last time you eat this thing. It's going to be on my menu at my restaurant. Jam one. So let's go give it to a few people and get their reaction to see what they think about Jamaican banana fritters. Yeah man, so right now, see there with the banana fritters. Banana ripper, banana fritters. Going to my next nigga block. So this is the first time these people are going to actually try Jamaican banana fritters, these Jamaican snacks. So I'm going to get their reaction and see what they think about it. If they like it, if not, let me see the reaction. Yo, Mufasa,
Yeah, man.
aka, see it there? This is Jamaican banana fritters. I want you to try this and tell me your opinion, what you like.
It actually look delicious.
Look delicious, right?
Yeah.
So this is Mufasa.
From the looks, man.
He's a footballer. He's a footballer. Which side he play for?
I play midfield 4-10. I play
See?
Oslo, Norway.
Yeah?
I've played in South Africa because there's chefs.
Yes.
I've played Ghana, Hop 3 Football Academy.
Yes.
Yes,
He's a
so.
professional footballer. He play football, and this man, he also do music.
A lot.
A lot. So I'm going to do an interview with Mufasa, and he can tell us more about him, more about West Africa, more about the places. So Mufasa, take one.
Alright.
Yeah. Give me your feedback. You can hear the crunch in it. This is the first time trying this.
Wow. Wow. I think I have to be eating more of this now.
It's good.
Very, very bro.
Very good.
This is delicious. This I don't know what to say, but
Yeah,
this is
that
perfect.
let me tell you, that is Jamaican
Hey,
banana
like,
fritters.
I would actually urge everybody to try this. Like,
To try that.
Yeah, I would want everyone
man.
to try this.
It's the first time for you trying this, right? Yeah, man. This is actually a snack in Jamaica. We make it Jamaica banana fritters. We call it banana ripper. If you go online and type in banana ripper or banana fritters, that come up with a Jamaican snack.
Well, I can eat this every day. I can eat this in the morning.
too good.
I can eat this in the afternoon. And I can eat this for dinner. It's too good.
Too good.
Too good, bro.
Make you want to say, Wagwan. Yeah, man. So, yeah, man. That's how we do it in Jamaica. We have a lot of other snacks. I will give you some more. Like in Jamaica, we have stuff like grater cake.
Can I get more?
You can get more. You get another one. Take another one. Yeah.
What? Oh. bro, this shit is real, bro.
It's real deal.
This is.
Okay then. So I'm gonna make someone else try it and get their opinion. So here what?
Please, guys, you need to try this out, man. Like, for real, this is the first thing I have eaten. Like, and I feel this fucking what you like eating it. This is nice. This is dope.
Thank you for telling me the truth. So I'm gonna let some more Kenyans try this one. So, but for now, I'm gonna get back to you because we're gonna do some interviews and more. Tell us more about West Africa, what it's like, your experience in Kenya, how do you like it, what's the difference. So, Mufasa, big up yourself. As I said, it is banana fritters, Jamaican snack.
Bro, this is actually what you'll be making more of this for me.
No problem.
We'll be doing this. We'll be doing more of this.
Yeah, man, no problem. International footballer right here at the crib. So, you guys stay tuned. There's more to come.
Sure.
Yeah, man. So right now I'm here with a lady called Cheryl. So Cheryl's going to tell us what she think about this Jamaican snack, and I will tell her what it is. So Cheryl, I'll give you this. You're going to tell me what you think about it. Taste it. It's a Jamaican snack. I make it.
It's a pancake.
It's like something similar to that, but it's not that. Sometimes it's thicker, sometimes it's like slimmer than that. But tell me what you think about it. Give me a reaction. Is it good?
Yeah, it's
Good.
It's wonderful.
Wonderful.
Yeah.
It's banana fritters.
Okay.
In Jamaica, we call it banana ripper. Well, we call it banana fritters in Jamaica, but American or English, they call it banana ripper. So that's the English name for it. But in Jamaica, we call it banana fritters. Yeah, man, we make it banana. Very good, right?
Yeah, I like it.
You like it? Get the
Thank
plate.
you so much.
Yeah, man. So, if you want, in Jamaica we have a lot of different other stuff like we have grater cake, stuff made with coconut snacks. So this is the snack. It's one of my favorites. You understand? So from a scale from 1 to 10, how much would you rate this snack?
9.
9. Okay then. Why give it 9?
Because it's got less sugar.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes.
Not too much.
Not too much.
Yeah.
Alright then, cool. So that is Cheryl. Big up yourself, Cheryl, one thing, you understand?
Thank you.
Alright then, bless up. Peace. So yeah, my people. So banana fritters. Too bad they run out, come eat the rest of them. I couldn't stop eating it, man. I just, as I fry one, it come from the pot, I eat. So yeah, man. That's how we call it, banana fritters. A delicious delicacy in my place. And that is one of my favorite.